Hi guys, welcome to Islands of Fun. It's another beautiful Sunday. It's after New Year's. Today we're up in Paramin. We haven't ventured further yet, but I think we could still go a little further. But you could just take in the view. I decided in 2020, I really wanted to get the videos back up and running, try and see how we could get more of Trinidad out there, the positive side of Trinidad. I don't know what 2020 holds, but I want to be more productive, more energized to do better videos. Hopefully we could do some fun things. I don't know what you all wish for 2020, but I wish for prosperity, success, stuff like that. You can leave a comment down below. Let me know what exactly you all wish for 2020 and what you'd like to see from the channel in 2020. But so far, I think for me is actually just producing more content, getting more videos out there. So stay tuned.
Crime?
Good crime, good crime, yeah. So this is the gentleman that's they pointed at him and he just speak the patois.
Oh, okay.
And this gentleman here, what's his name again?
Not closely. My name is Peter Felician.
Peter Felician. As a real
Felician.
as a real Spanish something. His
That
surname.
is French.
Man, I'm all French, eh?
Yeah. Okay. Tell me a little bit about Paramin now, like where the farmers and things like that.
The farmers' livelihood, they do more agriculture. Well, made still. I got farming people use to send children to school, to build a house, to buy
Survival,
yeah.
yeah. Put food on the table.
Absolutely.
So what's the main crop? Side or
The main crop, well, the main crop is size.
side? Okay.
Yes. Well, the other auxiliary crops are tomato, cabbage, sweet pepper, seasoning pepper.
Pimento.
Yes.
You don't feel so? How are you so sure about that?
I don't know, I will be sure. But farming is a closely knit
Community.
This are you today, and sometimes something happen to you tomorrow,
Stick together.
them on the block.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the way it should be.
Yesterday,
Yeah, that's the way it
and today
should
they're
be.
back on you.
Yeah. That's the way it should be. So we reach here. They have another spot where I could go higher up, but this is the top. We are the top.
This is top, but the top is top up here. If you go up here, you'll see the cell tower, the digital cell tower.
Yeah.
You'll
And
see
what
that
about the
is top
road?
is
What
top.
about
That
the
is
road? The road is good or it's bad?
very good.
Oh, so we can take a chance and go up then.
Yeah, very good.
Well, I know. I'm kind of like panicking. Me panicking. My driver here. What, I have to circle around?
This is a circular road. Yeah.
Okay.
Road. Up here. You can see the markers road. There's the markers road here.
Okay.
This is the road. This is markers.
So, over then?
Yeah.
So-
Yeah.
Okay.
And where they have the cell site up there?
Yeah.
This is the third highest mountain range in Trinidad.
Okay.
El Tucuchi.
Yeah.
El Tucuchi, the third highest mountain.
These are what? These are tomatoes.
Yeah,
cherry
tomatoes.
ones.
That is a couple.
Alright guys, so just another update. We decided to try to go to the top of the hill. Think that is the top of the hill behind me there. But little Ariel here, she just wasn't ready to go quite up there. She decided she didn't want to go anymore. So we just decided to stop here Maybe on another day when we have more time, we'll probably walk the rest. or get a taxi or a van to bring us up. Yeah. Betsy was like, alright, I've had enough. I've had enough. But this just goes to show how small Trinidad is. So I'm starting from on this point. So going that way is towards Maracas. You could actually see some of the cars traveling. Right? Somewhere over there might be Santa Cruz. Then straight ahead is Port of Spain. And then when I come around this way, this is heading towards probably Westmore side. And then when you come this way, you're actually going to see Diego Martin side over here and going westward further down. So I'm guessing if you go all the way to the top, you'd get a whole 360 circular view of parts of the northern parts of Trinidad and Tobago, which is pretty cool. Which just goes to show that in Trinidad, you could go anywhere and not get lost. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope the video was enjoyable. As I said, list your goals in the comments below for 2020 if you want to be successful in business, YouTube, just personal growth. Leave the comments below. If this video reaches 100 likes, we'll probably do something very exciting, a challenge maybe. Alright, thanks again for watching, guys. Do remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and smash the like button. Bye, guys.